Hey guys, my name's Nikki and I want to welcome you here to Carrie Grace. Alright, so today I'm going to be sharing with you how I make sweet tea. I have had this video listed on my list of ideas for about a year. I have put it off for a couple of reasons. Number one, I thought everybody made sweet tea the same. Number two, I wanted to wait until I remembered to have lemons just so that I could kind of stage my pictures, but then I realized that was silly because I don't actually put lemons in my sweet tea when I'm at home. I do when I'm out, but not when I'm at home. So anyway, I realized that was ridiculous. But Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat recently posted her sweet tea recipe, and I realized not everybody makes sweet tea the same. So I thought it would be fun to share with you how I make sweet tea. I will leave a link to her channel below. I also thought it would be fun to tag some of my other southern friends to see how they make sweet tea. I live in Alabama, and this is how I make sweet tea, but I know that different areas, people make it different. People just kind of learn to make it different. I don't know that it really matters where you were raised or where you live, how you make it. But anyway, I just thought it would be fun. So down below, I'm going to tag some of my favorite southern YouTube girls, and then I will also tag them on Instagram. So hopefully they will share with us how they make sweet tea. Alright, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get a pan and you're going to just kind of fill it up with water. How much water you put in there doesn't really matter. This is just kind of like a regular size pan, and I just kind of filled it up. I'm going to use 4 of the large size tea bags. The brand that we prefer is the Tetley. You could also use Lipton or Louisiana. Any of them are great. This is just the one that we really like. And then you are going to need either, I would say, 1.5 cups to 2 cups of sugar. If I'm going to make it really sweet, I use 2 cups, but we kind of tried to kind of cut back on sugar just a little bit. So I actually use just 1.5 cups. Now the first thing you're going to do, and I do this kind of different from a lot of people, I actually kind of make a syrup first. So I turn my pan, I just turned it to high because I'm going to bring it to a boil. I just turned it on, so I'm going to go ahead and add my sugar now so that my sugar comes to a boil with the tea and it makes a syrup. So as soon as this comes to a boil, then we will add our tea. Okay, so now that my water is just coming to a boil, it's not a hard rolling boil, I'm going to go ahead and put my tea bags in. I'm going to put the lid on, and then I'm going to take it off the heat and just let it steep. I'm going to let it hang out here for about 20 or 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been about 30 minutes, so this is ready to make. Alright, so I've got a tea pitcher, nothing fancy, and then I filled it up about 1/4 of the way with ice. Then I'm going to take this, I'm going to put it in my sink. And the reason I put this in the sink is because sometimes I spill it. But what I'm going to do is I've got my tea bags in here and my lid on, and I'm just going to, in my little, it's got the strainer right here, so I'm just going to pour the tea into the pitcher. Alright, so that filled it up a little over halfway, and then I just filled my pan back up. The tea bags are still in there, and I just added more water, put my lid back on, and then I'm going to pour this into the tea pitcher. I'm just going to continue doing that until the tea pitcher is full, and using the water with the tea bags in it just makes it nice and strong. Alright, so I'm just going to stir this up and then put the lid on it. Okay, so that is how I make sweet tea. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I make sweet tea. Thank you to Jennifer from Cook, Clean, and Repeat for sharing your sweet tea to motivate me to get my video up, and check the description box down below so you can see if I tagged you. Again, if you aren't from the South but you drink sweet tea, definitely still make this video and let me know. Alright, so down in the comments I want to know, number 1, do you drink sweet tea? And number 2, do you take lemon in your tea? Yes or no? Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you soon.